Imagine stepping into a concert, not just watching it on a screen, but feeling like you're right there in the crowd. This is the magic of virtual reality cameras. Virtual reality is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's becoming a mainstream technology for both consumers and businesses. But for VR to truly thrive, we need more than just high-performance headsets. We need incredible, immersive content. Developers have great software like Unity and Unreal to build virtual worlds, but what if you want to bring real-world images into VR? That's where virtual reality cameras come in, allowing you to capture a complete 360-degree view of a scene. A virtual reality camera records video from every angle, letting you explore it from multiple perspectives. This technology isn't entirely new. Many smartphones have had 360-degree capturing options for a while. In the VR landscape, these cameras allow creators to capture real-world content to create immersive experiences. Imagine a developer capturing a 360-degree view of an office to create a digital twin for teams in the metaverse. Virtual reality cameras work by leveraging multiple wide-angle lenses at the same time, stitching images together to form a sphere. The best way to view these 360-degree images and videos is with a VR headset, immersing you inside the scene. With a VR headset, you can immerse yourself inside the scene without having to tap a button or spin around with your smartphone. Virtual reality cameras offer an intuitive way to create immersive, realistic scenes, but there are some limitations. Since you're recording the real world, you can't create interactive experiences, but you can overlay real-world images with virtual assets. VR cameras are often used to create immersive records of real events, like concerts or conferences. With cutting-edge streaming platforms, companies can share these experiences in real time with users wearing VR headsets. 360-degree cameras are also common for virtual tours conducted by hospitality, real estate, and travel companies. Choosing the right virtual reality camera starts with identifying what you want to accomplish. For casual 360-degree videos, a consumer-grade option like the GoPro Max might be enough. For creating immersive digital twins of real-world spaces, a more advanced system might be essential. Consider the capture mode. 2D 360-degree cameras are easier to use but create flatter images, while 3D 360-degree cameras offer more immersion. Resolution and frame rate are crucial. Higher frame rates create smoother experiences, and higher resolution offers more clarity. Sensor size and image stitching are also important. Smaller sensors improve stitching but may struggle in low light. Convenience matters too. Look for compatibility with your existing software, compact design, and good battery life. Let's look at some top virtual reality cameras available today, starting with the Insta360X4. The Insta360X4 offers 8K resolution, HDR features, and AI-powered subject tracking, making it a favorite among XR enthusiasts. Next, the Kandao QCam 3 Ultra offers 8K resolution and built-in stabilization, ideal for capturing smooth content. The Ricoh Theta Z1 is a premium option with 23-megapixel resolution and excellent image stitching software. The GoPro Max, despite being older, still impresses with 6K video capture and a rugged, waterproof design. Lastly, the Trizio Lite 2 is designed for professionals needing static virtual tours, offering 8K resolution in HDR mode. Virtual reality cameras are opening new doors for immersive experiences, and the demand for high-quality 360-degree cameras is only growing. Stay tuned to see what innovators build next in the exciting world of virtual reality. Dive into the future with VR cameras.